Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to start trading crypto on KuCoin in 2025 but not sure where to begin? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up deposit trade and secure your account all in just 8 minutes. What is KuCoin? KuCoin is one of the top global cryptocurrency exchanges, offering over 700 coins, spot and features trading, stacking, copy trading, and more. It's known for low fees and powerful tools, especially for altcoin lovers. Now go to kucoin.com or download the app, sign up with your email or phone, click sign up button. Then enter your email and or phone number. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary email. Now enter the verification code from your email. Copy the code and paste here. Then click submit. Enter a strong password, then click confirm. Then click verify now. Click complete verification. Then verify. Now that's identity verification. It unlocks higher withdrawal limits and features. Select one like ID card, then click continue. Enter your first name based and last name based on your ID card, then click enter your ID card number, then follow the instructions for KYC verification. Use strong passwords and to enable two-factor authentication from the start. Go to settings, account security, then you'll enable passkey phone Google verification. Just click link and follow the process. Now let's add funds. You have two main options. First of all, crypto deposit. If you already own crypto on another wallet or exchange, go to assets, then click main menu or main account, then click deposit or funding account. Now from here, click deposit, select the deposit crypto option, select the coin, copy the wallet and send from your source. Step 2, go to buy crypto, then P2B, to buy USDT directly from other users using local payment methods like bank transfer, GPay, or even Paytm, depending on your region. Just click buy. You can filter your payment method like PAN, Perfect Money, uh, Apple Pay, MoneyGram, MoneyGo, Payoneer, etc. Then you can choose your current currency like USDT, INR, etc. You can choose here your coin like USDT, BTC, Ethereum, and that's like that. Now ready to trade, head to trade section, then click spot trading. Here you can search any pair like BTC, USDT from here. You will see a trading chart, order, book and order types like limit, set your price and wait. Market instant buy and sell at current rate. Choose your type, enter amount and click buy or sell. Start small, avoid FOMO and always double check the pair. If you are advanced, KuCoin also offers futures trading with leverage. Go to derivatives, derivatives, then futures overview for a beginner-friendly layout. Don't want to trade all day? Let your crypto work for you. Head to earn to stake coins and earn passive income. Look for flexible versus fixed terms and check APY. KuCoin has built-in trading bot that auto buy and sell based on market conditions. Choose from bots like Spot Grid, Feature Grid, or trading bot. You just get the parameters and the bot does the work 24 to 7 days. Security is critical. Make sure you turn on two-factor authentication, two-factor authentication. Set a trading password for added security. Enable withdrawal with whitelist. Never click on suspicious links or fake emails. And that's it. KuCoin is powerful but feel overwhelming. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.